Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Drive screen in Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate on documents, present files during meetings, or walk team members through folders and materials stored in your Drive. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Drive. Make sure you have all the files, folders, or documents you want to share already open or accessible. This preparation step is important because once you start sharing your screen in Zoom, you'll want everything ready to go so you're not fumbling around searching for files while others are watching. Next, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This will bring you to your Zoom homepage where you can see your upcoming meetings and options to start or join a session. Now, join a meeting. You can either start your own meeting or join one that's already in progress by clicking the appropriate button and entering the meeting ID if needed. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the Zoom interface with various controls at the bottom of your screen. In the bottom toolbar, locate and click the Share button. This is typically represented by a green icon with an upward arrow. Clicking this will open a new window showing all the different screens and applications you can share with other meeting participants. In the right panel that appears, select the screen that has your Google Drive open. Zoom will display thumbnails of all your open windows and screens, so find the one showing your browser with Google Drive. Before you proceed, look for two important checkboxes at the bottom of this window. Check the box beside Share Sound if you plan to play any audio from your shared screen, and also check Optimize Video for sharing if you'll be showing any video content. These options enhance the viewing experience for your participants. Once you've made your selections, click Share to begin broadcasting your Google Drive screen to everyone in the meeting. Your Google Drive screen is now visible to all participants. To make your presentation even more interactive and clear, click Annotate in the top toolbar. This feature opens up a range of tools that let you select, spotlight, or highlight specific information on your shared screen. You can draw arrows, add text, or use a laser pointer to direct attention to particular files or folders, making it easier for your audience to follow along with exactly what you're discussing. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your Google Drive screen in Zoom and can now collaborate effectively with your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.